Welcome. This is day 2 of my Dragonfly project. So I had my maiden flight with this new set of wheels that I've put on the plane this morning, and you're going to see the video, and I'm really looking forward to get some input from you more experienced flyers, because with the two wings the way I have it set up, I'm really puzzled about the CG where I should put it. So looking forward to hear some of your ideas, and I hope you enjoy the video. At the end, we'll do a little recap of what I've learned from this flight. So, getting ready for this tie, and of course the wind is getting up.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Which is not really something we want today. They're happy. That's it. Okay, so what do we have? We have more wind than I was expecting. It was no wind this morning, and the bloody thing is getting up now. So I've set up a system of wings which can move. Elevator's working, rudder's working, motor is working, and I've got a system as well to change the angle of the front wing at a flick of a switch. So this is it. This is it. If only. Okay. Right. Motor. And go. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't want to get up. It didn't want to climb at all. So what we are going to do is we're going to use, okay, maybe the center of gravity as well, maybe too far forward.
So, I'm going
to apply option number 1 and change the angle of the forward wing. That should hopefully help it to climb. Right. Test number 2. Could be a hard day today. No, it doesn't want to climb.
I think the wings. And the wind is getting up
again. Crap.
No. Change the elevator a bit. Increase it. Which is now looking a bit better.
Tend to want to go to the right. Okay. Okay, I've increased it to the maximum now. Put more elevator on. The wind, I think we'll go more in this position here. Ah, we have something which works. Or not. Poof. Okay, we took off. Which is a progress. And we have our first crash. Let's see how the system performed. Oh well. It was designed to crash easily. Let's see how it works. Easily and being easily fixed. Number one. No, I did think this would not work here. Broke the servo, the arm here. Okay. Well, that was test number one on prototype 2 for the Libellule project.
Receiver still connected.
Yep.
Telemetry lost.
We'll be back.
I hope you enjoyed that little video, very short flight. So I fixed the broken servo. It was just it was not a big job. And what I've done now for the next flight is I've increased the angle of the back wing. I've given it at least 6 degrees, I would think. So hopefully this will create the lift that we need, since we don't have any, well, we don't have the proper shaped wing at the back. And what I did as well, which is for me a new one, is I've set up the radio so that when I turn I'm going to turn the wings. At the same time, what we'll have is we'll have the rudder turning and helping with the turn, since it seemed that it was a difficulty I had difficulties for turning. And I did the same with the elevator. Whenever the elevator will work, I will have the front wing dropping at the same time, hopefully helping with a lift. We have as well set up 2 switches for changing the position of the wing for takeoff if needed. So looking forward to the next one. The wind is it's a little bit windy right now. I may just have to wait until tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this little videos, and have a nice day. Bye bye.